Let's uninstall Camtasia 2026. This version not smooth working for me, so I will uninstall this software. Older version is best for me. So go Windows search bar and try control panel. Here is the control panel. Open. Then you can see the program, uninstall program. Click, and here is your all Windows install software. So I need to install Camtasia. So find out your software. So this is this version I want to install. Just select the software and click this uninstall button. You see a pop-up. Press yes. And select delete user data. Menu all users and your folder file project all will delete. So remember it, you will lose your all file folder about Camtasia. So uninstall. Uninstall successful. Click finish. Here. So thank you.